In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Find My iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to turn on this feature so you can track your device if it ever gets lost or misplaced. So first, I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. Once I'm inside Settings, the very first thing I'm doing is tapping on my name at the very top. This takes me into my Apple ID settings, where all your account and security features are managed. Now I'm inside the Apple ID menu, and I'm going to scroll down slowly until I see Find My. Once I see it, I'm tapping on it to open the tracking settings for my device. Alright, now I'm on the Find My screen, and I can see different options related to locating your iPhone and sharing your location. At this point, I'm tapping on Find My iPhone. Now I'm inside the Find My iPhone settings, and I'm turning on the toggle for Find My iPhone. Once I switch it on, your iPhone may prompt you to enable location services if it's not already active. So I'm tapping OK when it asks, because location access is required for this feature to work properly. Without it, your iPhone won't be able to update its position on the map if it gets lost. I like to pause here because this is the most important part of the setup. Once Find My iPhone is enabled, your device becomes trackable through Apple's Find My network, even if it's offline in some cases. Now I'm checking a couple more settings below. Under My Location, I'm making sure it says This Device. This ensures that the correct iPhone is being tracked, especially if you're signed in on multiple Apple devices. Next, I'm also checking the option for Share My Location. I'm turning this on because it allows your device to share its location with trusted contacts and other Apple devices in your account. Once everything is set, your iPhone will continuously update its location in the background. You can then use the Find My app on another device, or log into iCloud to locate it on a map, play a sound, or even mark it as lost. And that's it. You opened settings, tapped your Apple ID, went into Find My, enabled Find My iPhone, allowed location services, and confirmed your location settings. Now your iPhone is fully protected and can be tracked anytime if it ever goes missing.